that you want. From here I'm gonna choose my old design. What is going on, everybody? So welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to design your YouTube channel and how to upload YouTube video to your YouTube creator. So this is called Canva. I'm gonna link this program on the description. You can download and install it. It have two options. One is the software and one is the web design. So today you wait so we gonna search in here like YouTube thumbnail. From here you can choose your any design that you want. From here I'm gonna choose my old design. I'm gonna design my new one like this. No, and how to sorry switch new design to classic Facebook. Here you can drag and drop and add new everything. You can add the new text. It has many functions, so I'm gonna do like this, and we're gonna change the text letter. You can add effect to your letter. I'm gonna add some more. 2021. You can change the font also. I'm gonna add Facebook. In here you have many choice that you want to search, like Facebook. For this theme I'm gonna use this one. It's match my everything. I'm gonna try playing with my background. Okay, I think this one is looking good. I'm gonna change the color to something that is like this. So after you done designing your thumbnail, you're gonna click on PNG and click on download. After that you're gonna save your file. Click on save, or you can rename it and go back to your website. Click on create and click on upload video. From here you can select on this and choose the file you want to upload. For me, I already have the file. Tutorial how to change the new design. So from here you can type out quickest way how to change a new design Facebook theme to old classic Facebook theme on 2021. So today you will be learning on how to change Facebook new design theme to old classic theme that will bring you back the old memory. So from here I will type link www switch to classics.com. Copy the link and thank you guys for watching and keep supporting my video. And then you're gonna upload your thumbnail. I already have my thumbnail, and this is now you can add the tag change Facebook theme, Facebook classic theme. How to change Facebook theme? Facebook you can search in here like how to change Facebook design back, how to change Facebook classic view, how to change Facebook classic mod, Facebook classic mod 2021. So the tag is I'm gonna use like this, and video language English, how to style, and checking again how to change a new design Facebook to the old classic theme mod. So click on next, now copy residue, click from here, click on the public, and click on publish. You can get the link to your video right now. Click on close, and your video will be available soon. If you guys see this, you can change it to your thumbnail again. I think it technical error. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys liked my video. I hope this will help you guys a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.